Now we need to install the relevant Cucumber add-on. So the same thing, we're going to go to help, we're going to go Eclipse Marketplace, then we're going to type in Cucumber, and then we're going to search for that. So let's press go. So we need to install this natural add-on, so press install. And then we're going to click, don't worry about JBehave, make sure this one here is enabled. Click confirm and let that fully install. Okay, so once that's loaded, we're going to set the terms and conditions. We're going to let that install, and then Eclipse is most likely going to need to restart. Okay, so that might take some time to fully load the dialog box here. We're going to press OK, let that complete the installation, restart again. Once Eclipse restarted, there's going to be another add-on that we need to install. So if we go into Google and type in Cucumber Eclipse plugin, we go on the first link here, and what we're going to need to do is copy and paste this URL. So we copy this URL, we're going to go back to Eclipse again. We've got a project here, which is fine. We're going to go into install new software this time. We're going to go add, type in the URL, and then we're going to say, you can call it whatever you want, let's just call it Cucumber. Now what that's going to do is search that URL for any plugins. We're going to enable this, click next, and then let that fully install. Once that load bar is fully loaded, press next, set the terms and conditions. Same process again, let Eclipse install this plugin, and then it's going to most likely require a restart. Okay, so press OK, let that load. Right, excellent. So now we need to restart Eclipse now. Once that's loaded, Eclipse is going to load again. You shouldn't get any error messages, which means that everything's successful. So let's wait until Eclipse is loaded just to confirm that. As you can see, we've got no errors, which is a good sign. So now our environment has Cucumber added, it has TestNG added. There's one more add-on which I'm going to add in the next video, which is to make our working environment more visually appealing.